Pollution is a major threat to mankind, said Maan sir while teaching the chapter Pollution to the kids.
Students, there will be an exhibition on the 5th of June to celebrate the World Environment Day. It is compulsory for everyone to take part in this event. You will either have to make chart papers or models, but keep in mind the theme is Save the Earth.
The students were naturally very excited and got ready with the artworks on the day of exhibition. When the setup was complete, the class teachers brought in kids from class 1 and 2. They were awestruck with all the presentations in front of them and started asking questions.
Hey senior, see, I have done a painting that suggests saving the earth. Yes, this is amazing. Your model of earth rotates, but mine doesn't. Why so? Because this is 3-dimensional and your painting is 2-dimensional. Dimensions? What is that? Dimensions? Come, let me tell you.
And that brings us to the very first lesson video on visualizing solid shapes. Welcome back to Notebook. Friends, what's this? A ball, right? Now, tell the shape that you can see on the screen. It's a circle, isn't it? You can easily draw a circle on your workbook. But what is the shape of the entire ball? Is it a circle or is it not? What's the difference then? Or maybe what the similarity is? Confusing, right? We'll come back to all this, but before that, let's have an idea about dimensions. We see many objects in our day-to-day life, such as a book, a brick, a gas cylinder, a pipe, an ice cream cone, an ice cube, an orange, and so on. As you know, all of these objects occupy space. Hence, they have 3 dimensions of length, breadth, and height or depth. This is why such objects are called 3-dimensional objects. Now take a look at these geometrical shapes. These are known as solid shapes or 3-dimensional shapes. So, friends, can you visualize solid shapes now? Recall the shapes that you have learned in your lower classes. Such shapes have just 2 dimensions, the length and the breadth. Hence, all these shapes are called 2-dimensional shapes. Now, do you understand the difference between a 2-dimensional and a 3-dimensional shape? Friends, you need to know a few terms for defining any solid shape. Consider your book. See that it has 6 rectangular plane surfaces. In geometry, we call each surface a face. The surface can be a square too, like that of a Rubik's Cube. It can be curved like a balloon and circular as in a pipe. Even a pyramid has faces of various shapes. Therefore, the flat or the curved surface of a solid shape is known as its face. Now look around your room. Can you see the linings on the corners of the wall? These are nothing but edges. This shows that the intersection of 2 faces is called an edge. Friends, are you familiar with the term corner? In geometry, it has a quite different meaning. Just like 2 faces meet to form an edge, 2 or more edges meet to form a vertex. A solid shape may or may not have an edge or a vertex. But which solid shape has an edge, which does not? And what is the geometrical term that we use for a ball or a book or any such object? Let the suspense remain for a small time. To answer all your questions, we shall be right back with another video lesson. Until then, take care, happy learning, and goodbye.